You?
Good morning. Scusi. This is it. This is the last Saturday. Maybe the last one ever. I am so freaking busy the next 3 days that this might be it. Last night I got to watch someone play on the Steam Deck, and that was fun. I went over a friend's house, I realize the UI is just impossible to read, especially the customize your character. There's so many tiny little icons up here. I'm trying to break it out into sections. So there's like the body, and then the face, and then clothing. It's still really ugly. I need to look up some reference. And the best place to do that is the Game UI database. Requiem, how's it going? Good morning. How are you? So we want a character customization screen. Character select, maybe? Customize character. Good, can't stay long though. Well, I appreciate you stopping by and saying hi. What you got going on this weekend? Anything fun? Browse 50 images. Yes. Thank you. Tuesday's the big day. But I like, yeah. It's basically what I have. Not much different. There's not much reference on the site either. Character customization screen. Who does it well? Let's see. And who are my references? Let's say Ooblets. No. So, I mean, it's nice that they don't limit themselves to a panel. I wonder if I should do that. They utilize the whole screen. Sugar Shack this weekend. Gonna be full of pork and maple syrup. That sounds pretty good. Sugar Shack. You know, my wife's from, she's from Connecticut, which is not that much farther north than New York, or New York City. But it was significantly colder. On average, 15 degrees colder. And it snowed maybe 5 times more every year. And growing up, she always, she told me of this thing called sugar on snow. She's like, remember when you were a kid and you had sugar on snow? And I'm like, no, the hell are you talking about? She's like, yeah, sugar on snow. Didn't everyone have sugar on snow? I'm like, I think that's a thing unique to your neck of the woods. Do you know what that is, Requiem? Sugar on snow? Literally pouring sugar on, or is it just pouring maple syrup on snow and eating it? I think that's all it is. If snow was not white, you did not put it in your mouth. Those are the rules in New York. When I was a kid, I definitely ate snow, but only fresh, clean snow. Ooh, allergies. Maple taffy, I think we called it. I'm not going to pronounce that because French is confusing to me. But so I'm glad you know it exists. I'll let her know that she's not crazy. What if I just put words here? Would that be so bad? I put the words, and then I don't like that you have to hit the pause button or click the finish button to get to the end. I feel like I should just add a third panel here as the end. Right? Let's just look at it for a sec. Let's play it. New game. So here's the deal. This panel, it's just randomizing. And it's represented by a baby. Makes no sense. Bear with me. The next panel doesn't click. If I hit this button, okay. So now we have a sub-menu. Okay, I don't hate that. Alright, you're off. Go stream in you. Yeah. Safe flight. Thank you. See you soon. Definitely see you soon. Appreciate you hanging out. Okay, so this is all body related. And then this is all clothing related. It makes sense. It makes sense. Oh wait, and then why are both of these visible? Only one should be visible. If that's the case... Wait a minute. Yeah, one of those should have been hidden already. So, yeah. New game. That's weird. See why that's not happening. Button group. So input scheme. Oh, wait a minute. So I don't have the. It doesn't throw the event because the input. On keyboard mouse active. Who throws this? Who throws this event? Control schema updated. Who throws you? Trigger. A lot of people throw it, okay. But everything's in the input system. Is the input system not in the start menu? That would be crazy. Systems. Input system. There it is. Input system. Schemas. Schema. This should actually be a prefab because I have this in both scenes. And... let's see. Man, I was really worried. Thought I was getting sick last night. Someone came into the office Thursday that was sick, and that would have been really bad if I got sick. Really, really bad. Way too much to do this weekend. Way too much riding on this week. Not a good time. But I think I'm okay. I think I'm just absolutely exhausted. That's the thing, right? Being absolutely exhausted could make you feel a little sick, and then being paranoid about being sick can make you feel sicker. And then sneezing, coughing, and having a fever is just all in your head, right? Hi, Hexata. Are you trying to delete everything? Why? Well, welcome in. Keep trying. Excuse me. Okay. Why is that not throwing? Oh, it's possible because it was never activated. Oh, yeah. That's why. Because it's not activated. And when it is activated, I answered no to prompt. What is prompt? So now it's activated, and it should respond to the changes. Oh, look at that. So... Oh, I guess because this isn't a switch between controller and keyboard. It's just keyboard or keyboard. That's the thing. So this just needs an initial state. That's the problem. Okay. So the initial state, I'm going to assume you're on PC. And if you use a controller, then we'll update for that. So if you're on a PC, we're going to hide this. Okay, totally fine. Like a pop-up message window? Do you want to do XXX no? Oh, is that your answer to my question? I'm sorry, I'm confused. It's 6 in the morning. I'm confused. Well, actually, no, it's 6:50 now, but still. Takes me a minute. Okay, that should be fine. Still, this is kind of ugly. Like, isn't this ugly? I could do better. I think I'm going to start with, first of all, the starting panel. The icon. 5 p.m. here, fair enough. Or is that in the UK? Somewhere in the UK? Somewhere in Europe? Oh, perfect. This is what I want. That's the dice. The dice, and then the body, and then clothing. Perfect. Finland. Ah, welcome it. Welcome from Finland. Snowing here? Oh, I'm in Los Angeles right now, so it never snows. But apparently, in my new home, so come Tuesday, or come Wednesday, I'll be in a new home. And it is snowing there. No, it turned to rain. It's just gonna rain there. And be in the 50s. And by 50s for you, that's like what? The teens? 15 degrees Celsius, something like that. No, in LA, it's actually a gorgeous day. It's like 60 degrees and sunny, and it's LA. It's like this all the time. Alright, I think these just need to be wider. 70? Yeah. Okay, that makes me feel better. The icons, they were just too big. So 70 and 65. What if I do 60? Ooh, I like that even more. What if I do 80 and 70? Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Icy roads here everywhere. Barely can walk. Oh man, that sounds rough. Okay, instead of doing with something really large, let's just snap it. Snap it, and we'll make it a little higher. 25. And what if we make it a different color as a submenu? Should I do that? Submenu color. Alright, so this one will be the lighter one, and then we'll make this top one the darker one. It's so subtle, it's the difference. And then this should definitely also be snapped to the ends. Negative 25. Negative 25. Is that better? Negative 25. That is way better. Oh, wow, yeah. Okay, that feels way better. Alright. We're getting there. We're getting there. I hate ugly UI. Drives me nuts. It's still a little ugly, but way better than it was. Also, these arrows are bugging me. These arrows are... Why do they like that? Let me grab all the arrows. Also, these need to be the right input prompt. I have one of those. I have that. It's a prefab. It's called UI prefabs. Where is it? It'll update based on what the button prompt should be. Standalone input images? Left trigger icon, right trigger icon. Yeah, baby. So let's do it here. So left trigger icon. Yeah, get rid of you. Well, I'll hide you for now. What playlist is this? Asmar, how's it going? This is, it's just a 3-hour and 15-minute, very relaxing Zelda music with rain in the background. I'll share it. It's like my favorite shit. It's not a remix. It's not, I mean, it's not like lo-fi. It's not a cover. It's straight up the music. And I think the rain, so I was really worried playing it on stream. I thought I'd get muted. I didn't want to get muted. But I think the rain in the background confuses the algorithm, so it doesn't mute it. Yeah, I love it. It's just every Zelda compilation. Like it's not just Breath of the Wild or something. Alright, so this shouldn't be 40. This should be stretched. 0, 0, 1, 1. And then 5, 5, 5, 10, 20, 15. Okay, there we go. So now this will... Why isn't it centered? Oh, because this is 50. This should be 50 and 55. No, 60, 75? No, it's horrible. I just want this to be normal. Be normal. You know, be cool. Oh, look at that. So I must need, Hey 99, how's it going? Oh no, you lost your streak. No, I'm sorry. Isaiah 41:10, is that a Bible verse? What is the exact ratio to make this a circle? 70 by 70? No. No, it needs to be different. That looks like a circle. Okay, so it must be these. Yeah. It's just not. Alright, so 17. 5, 5, and 17. That looks good. But it's actually too big. So let's say 8. No, 10, 10, 10, and then 34? No way. That's not right. This is the annoying thing. So all my buttons, I can't do proportional padding because of this stupid fake thickness that I built into the image. So every single thing that I want to add perfect padding to, the bottom is always some weird ratio. Very annoying. So it looks like this looks right. So let's say 22. Yeah, because the corners now all hit, and then these arcs look right. This is so stupid. Now it looks left. It looks too much to the left for some reason. Oh, look at that. This image actually isn't centered. There's more padding on the left, so it's the image's fault. Well, that's freaking annoying. What can I do about that? I can just say... do that. There we go. Is that perfect? That looks perfect enough. Okay, so now we have to copy. Copy component. Paste component values. And then use the right trigger. And copy component. Paste component values. 99, how you doing? Well, that didn't... oops. That didn't do it. Wrong one. Paste component. There we go. Okay. That looks good. We're getting there. We're getting there. So now... I think I can... so I'll just rebuild these properly. I'll delete these. Copy. Paste. And then delete these. Paste. They're too big for this section. Okay. So in order to add these to the system, what do I need to do? Well, one thing I know I need to do is that all these buttons broke. Yeah, that's annoying. We'll start up here with the buttons. So starting panel, great. Body, nope. They all go to the starting panel. Body goes to body panel, clothing goes to clothing panel. Okay, those are fixed. So now the starting panel. We don't need that. Tabs. Skin. These need to all go to these panels. So skin goes to the skin panel. Hair goes to the hair panel. Bear with me. This is manual. Eyes. Oh, look at that. They're already set up. Okay, great. Clothing. Glasses. These are all already set up. Perfect. I don't know why. Cool. So now let me fix the size of these. Or maybe they're okay. Let's just look at them in context. So it looks like this is sticking out. Why? Why stick out? So if I close the clothing panel... oh, there's still too many buttons! No! No! Well, these... maybe they're too big? The whole point of this was to not have all these buttons. What if I do 5? They're too close together. And middle center, yeah, middle center. If I just do negative 25, 25. Whew, excuse me. Alright, let's see what this looks like. I think we're good. Public event handler. My event. You trying to code via chat? Okay, so... Hi. Why is this doing that? Hexada, I'm a little confused by your chats today. So it's not pretty. It's not pretty. The red and then these orange buttons, they're just no good. How can we improve that? Maybe I'll make the buttons blue. I kind of like the blue. Or the tabs should be blue backgrounds. Which one? Is this the move? Not really. Thank you for the follow. These are still too big. That's the problem. They're still too big. Let's say 15, 15, 15, 25? Okay, that feels better. And then these icons are just a little too big. Going on 5 minutes waiting for Unity to open? Oh man, Zalus, how's it going? When it does that for me, I usually force quit it and try again, because sometimes it'll just never open. I've been looking at other people's games and seeing like tiny text, tiny UI, and they're fitting so much on the screen, and I'm like, why don't I do that? But then yeah, I saw it on this Steam Deck, and it was just like painful to look at. I just want it to work everywhere. I do not want to design this multiple times. I want to design it once, one and done. Okay, what if I do this too? And then I can make them smaller. Make them 50? Whoa, that's real tiny. 60? 70? 5? Then I can make these bigger. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Ah, Hex. You've made a game. What did you make? Tell us about it. How's this? That feels still too big. What did I do? 2? I did 2. And I was able to make these smaller. 60. 65. What did I make these? 60 and 65, okay. And then These guys. Copy. I just want to move on with my life. Paste. Alright, there we go. Centered. Nice. Okay, that feels better. That feels better. Position Z, no. 8, 8, 8, 15. 8, 8, 8, 15. Z, 0. Oh man, do I gotta do that for all these icons? Yeah, I do. Yeah, we do. Except that one. 8, 8, 8, 15. Alright, that's feeling more consistent at least. And then this one feels too small. Let's make this one a little bigger. How do we make this one bigger? We just do this. Looks like these just need to be multiples of each other, so let's say this one is... Right-click console tab or the 3-dot in console, log entry... What is happening? Why are you guys... Welcome in, Atrum. Try it. Right-click console tab, or the 3 dots in console. Log entry, 1 line. I don't think that's such a good idea. I'm getting a sense that I shouldn't do that. Someone's gonna have to tell me what's going on. Improve the console window? You mean this thing? Oh, you mean, to do this? Wow, look at that! Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. 2 lines. Three lines. Wait a minute. I was just getting weird vibes from, like, Hex's, lines of code in chat, and then you with more line. I'm like, you guys want me to go into my console and change stuff? I thought, I was like reading that like terminal. I'm like, is chat trying to hack me right now? I'm so confused. I think I'm gonna go 10 lines. Yeah, this is good. Is this good? I didn't know you could do that. What else can you do? Oh god. Well, welcome in. Thank you for the tip. I'm not sure if I like it more, though. Because I don't know. I don't know. I bet there's different times when I'd want different views. Use monospace font. What? Alright, if I do monospace font, 1 line, and we're just designing it for no reason. Stack trace logging. Script only, script only, script only. So timestamp, yeah. Nah, I don't like the monospace font. The second line's 99% useless. It's true. Anytime I do want to dig into it, I do click on it. Alright. Alright, I'll give it a go. I'll listen to your advice. I'll give it a go. See how I like it. It's a little overload, like information overload. But let's do it. Let's give it a shot. I'll leave it. Thank you. Thank you for the tip. Alright, so this is a 20. 40? 20, 40. And do I have to do 80? No. 60. No? 50? 20, 30, 40? Oh, right. So this needs to be 20 and then moved over 15. This needs to be... Basically... They can all be 20. They can all be 20. Let's just make them all 20. This one's moved over 20. This one's moved over negative 20. There we go. Okay. And then do I want the rounded corners at all? Sure, why not? Okay, so that's good. No, let's do 15. Hey, Pumpkin. How's it going? Everybody, do you know Pumpkin? Do you know Pumpkin Days? AKA Momo. AKA Amazing Game Dev. In Unreal. Working on a mangaka, which I learned is someone who makes manga. When you add ka to something, it's saying that that person does that thing. And also, they already have a released game. Absolute expert already. How are you doing, Pumpkin Days? And Skizai, how's it going? Hey, I'm a games animation student. I love that you document your work. Skizai, I love that you love it. That's what we're doing here, right? We can all love each other. Yeah, welcome in. Pumpkin is great. Pumpkin is great. I'm doing Pumpkin was working on her character customization, not last time, but maybe last week? A week or two ago? If you like live sims, cozy games, definitely check her out. And thank you for the follow. Sorry, I missed the name because I was too busy talking. Skizai. Thank you for the follow. You're good. Holding my kid in one arm and trying to draw with the other. Perfect. That's how you give a drawing character. It's by holding children at the same exact time. Alright, is this good enough? Is this good enough? There's a little bit more padding. I'm getting like really anal about this. It's driving me nuts. I don't want to be anal about it, but it's happening. Nothing I can do about it. 30? Is that right? 31? Oh, look at that. It's just too much. 15. Okay, that looks centered. That looks centered. Is this centered? No. Top should be 15. Bottom should be 30. There we go. Okay. Okay, now we have centered icons. These are a little big. I'll just make them the same. Just make them all the same, Andrew. What's wrong with you? Also, don't refer to yourself in the third person. That is a sign of psychosis. This music's perfect with my morning coffee? Yeah. I got my morning coffee too. Cheers. This music's honestly perfect for any time of the day, ever. Did I copy this already? Yeah. Copy. 1, 2, 3. Paste. Perfect. Now they're identical. Except, these guys. These look better. These don't look good. Copy. We're almost done. Oh my god, this could be the last button. Paste. Component. Didn't do anything. Why didn't it do anything? Is it an optical illusion? Wait a minute. This is 60, 65. These are 60, 65. 12, 12, 12, 18. 12, 12, 12, 18. Yo, am I crazy? This button looks great. Perfectly. The padding is perfect. This button looks crazy. It looks too tall. It looks too wonky. What is happening? And its width is 60. Its height is 65. They're the same. I wonder if the, what can be controlling that? What can be making that happen? So this does not control its size. You know that. Since when do you have a kid? Haven't seen your streams in a long time. She's got a little pumpkin. Tiny baby pumpkin. Parent scale? No, everything's one. What's happening here? What if I just move it next? No, I can't. Oh man, I love this button. Oh wait, I know what it is. Maybe? What else? What else could it be? Could it be this? Pixels per unit, too? The same. It could be an optical illusion. It could be an optical illusion. Wait, why can't I? Oh, that's funny. This monitor isn't Retina. I'm like, what? Why is this grayed out? Usually I'm on my laptop with a Retina monitor. Oh, but I could just say 4K. I think it's an illusion. I think it's this space. So I just need to match that space and then it'll look the same. It's an optical freaking illusion. It's an illusion. Need 10. 10. Look at that. I think it's right now. It looks perfect. Okay. We're done. We're freaking done. I think it looks okay. I still don't like how many buttons are down here. That's so annoying. I did this specifically so I wouldn't have all these buttons piled up. And I still have all these buttons piled up. Should I break it out into a third category? Nah. Let's test it. Let's see if it works. Oh, I didn't give you the good shout out. It's still early for me, sorry. Make sure to click that like button. Follow button. Okay, so we can do this. That's great. Can we click on them? We can click on them now. Okay, great. And if we go into the sub menu, can we go through all of them cleanly? Yep. Can we click on them? Yep. Nope. What? What just happened? Which one did I click on? Wait, so here's the thing. If I had show 2 lines, I know what script this comes from. If I only have 1 line, I gotta click on it. I guess that's okay. I guess it's okay. I'll keep going. I'll keep going with it. I'll give it the good old college try. I won't just give up after one little thing that I'm used to. Changes, you know. You gotta force yourself to try new things. So you do tag all my logs with the script name, my script, whatever. Well, yeah, that's a way. That's a way to get around that. Do you have your own like debugger? Do you have a wrapper around print or something that does stuff like that? Because that would be smart. I think the problem is it's this canvas group. Yeah, so panels. So it was in the body panel. And I clicked on... Which one did I click on? I clicked on... I thought I clicked on hair. Pretty sure I clicked on hair and it just busted up. No, you have a private const string tag. Let's see. At the top of... Oh, wow. That's dedication. That is dedication. Does this thing have all of the tabs in it? Oh, wait a minute. This panels, body panel. It's a bit of extra work, but after a while you get used to it. And then I color code it differently. Ooh. Alright, now the color coding I can get behind. That's smart. Okay, that was weird. I see nothing wrong with this script, so... Giorgio, how's it going? Configure tabs. Configure tabs. Why was it configuring the tab when I clicked on that button? Let's see. On pointer click. Call back, call back, call back. We selected it. And we configure the tabs. Get target index. I don't like this. I don't like what's going on. I don't like what I see here. Let's debug it. Okay, so... Oh, that's funny. The index is not something I store. I just get it every time. So, new game. So I was... Yeah, there we go. What's going on here? This is very strange. So the index, so clearly whatever's calling this is it's passing in the wrong index. And we do that by get target index. And then get target index is we find the selectable that equals the target. No window active is -1. Oh, look at that. No window active. How is this getting thrown? Okay. We can get through this. So, what we're doing is we're passing in this target. And how are we getting the target? Because we're saying select this freaking target. Okay. And we're getting the GUI controller on the target, and we're saying open. And it must not be open yet. That's the problem. And how are we determining whether it's open or not? We're saying... When is the move? It's happening Tuesday. You gotta run, might be back later. Alright, Giorgio. Have a good one. Have a good weekend. Next time I see you, I don't know. I have no idea. So what'd you say? I think the only issue with a custom logger or wrapper is that when you double click the log, it always opens up the logger. That makes total sense. But very often, I always click it and I click the link. Because sometimes I know like when something gets thrown, maybe this isn't the problem, maybe the thing before it's the problem. So I do usually click like the hyperlink to the point in which I want to go to. Okay, this is a strange one because... So get active index, get target index. Basically, we're passing in a target window that we want to open, and it's literally not finding it. So we're going to say trying to find target name, and then print. Is it this? Selectable.name. I can't believe I'm debugging UI stuff that I made 2 years ago. How is this? How has it gone this far without me finding these issues? It's pretty nuts. But I guess I have nested carousels, so I'm not surprised that it's a little funky. Alright, and I found it. Alright, so we're gonna go here. And we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna go back. And then forward. And back. And forward. And back. And skip one. Ah! So, we're trying to find character props facial hair. And it's looking in the... It's looking in this one. So it's because it's a nested... It's a nested thingy. What do I even call it? A canvas selector. So when I have these tabs, it's like a nested tab system. Like R2 and L2 control one of the tabs, and R1 and L1 controls the other. But when I do one, the other one's trying to re-update, so... That's the problem. How do I know which one is which? So what I could do is basically when... So on select. That's where I got. So select. This is what's happening. When I click, I need to make sure that this is the right canvas. Because right now it's just doing it whenever. So here I disable the if user inputs disabled, I return. If the parent canvas is null, I return. If the parent canvas is alpha 0, I return. How can I tell if this is the one I'm clicking on? Hey Sky Ninja. So I don't even have ads. Ads aren't even on right now. You're just getting regular Twitch ads. Hey Sky Ninja, how's it going? I should know better than to talk to you while you say ads. Pretty sure you couldn't hear any of that. How's it going? So how do I know what's being selected? Select. Do I have any returns here? No windows are visible or active. And I'm not passing a direction, am I? Guess I am, right? Huh. This should only be doing it if left bumper or right bumper is being selected. How are we getting to this? How are we getting to this error? What's going on here? So no windows active, right? What is happening? Oh, wait a minute. Does the tab throw on select? It's the button. Throw on select. On click. Select. Look at that. Okay. No, but this is different. This is different. This is canvas group select or select. Oh, right. I have two selects. I have an override. Oh, that's so stupid. So I've got I pass in a target, and I pass in the direction. And the error... Where's the error coming from? It is coming from the on pointer click. Look at that. Look at that. This is the target. Why does it think we're clicking these? That's weird. Isn't that weird? Oh, I'm freaked out right now. Alright, so it looks like it doesn't break. So I can test it again. Code Space, how's it going? Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good, Sky Ninja. Any PC nerds here? I think there's a lot of PC nerds here. Ooh, it actually did break really bad. Oh my god. Unity not documenting or showcasing their selection system better was a huge mistake. Pretty much having these, they pretty much have these features built in. Yeah, I wish they did have like a better system for it. Like instead of me having to make this shit custom. How are you? I'm doing good, Code Space. I'm doing good. I'm having a very chill Saturday. I'm trying to keep calm, you know. I got a lot of stuff to do. It's so weird. Is this? Why is it calling this thing?
We don't have anything specific planned for today's show.
This week's show is going to be really interesting with...
Don't tell what's going to be on the show.
Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake.
Sky Ninja, you're still having PC issues. You're still having time zone issues. Just go to settings and say, don't change automatically. There's a setting that says, use internet to update time zone. Just say no. Set it and forget it. You did that? It's weird. Yeah, so it's almost like this, it's almost like the collider. For some reason, when I press these, this event is getting thrown, like it's being clicked. That's crazy, right? Why would that happen? So this is getting clicked. But this, not this. This button is basically, I think it's this event on click is getting thrown when I click this button. That's weird, right? Usually it happens when you have overlaps. Yeah, I don't have overlaps. But I need to be, they both need to be active. Like, that's the thing. So this is all built-in Unity stuff. All this is built in Unity. Event system, UI pointer click, UI pointer press. We're invoking the callback, whatever. And then finally we get to here. But how are we getting there? Why isn't it showing me what's throwing this? So 2 places. It does it in 2 places. I select target index, and you came here today because of the PC nerds that lurk in your channel. That's fine. I hope you get help. So this happens here. All right, let's just throw some more prints. Print. I don't think it's this. I don't know. Button up. Left. I don't think it's this. Button up right. And then here we'll just print something. Select target. Just to find the stack trace. Even though this would give me the same stack trace, so it's very strange. And one thing I want to test is so I'm trying to find the clothing panel in. Basically, if this is -1, I could just say if this is -1, I'm like in the wrong place, so just ignore it instead of doing something. That's what I'll do. That'll fix it. It's not a good fix, but it's a fix nonetheless. So the errors, yeah, let's just do that. So here, we're saying configure tabs. If the tab's length is 0, we return. If index equals -1, we also return. Done. We fixed it. We fixed it. Dog! What up, dog? Yo. Your stream was it had a different vibe last night. I really enjoyed it. I was hanging out on Dog with Glasses last night for a while. It's really fun. Playing some It Takes Two. Your buddies. It can be a bit much, but I try to keep it positive. Nah, that's fine. I try to keep this stream positive, but you know, that's just what I do on this stream. There are many facets to me, and I like the energy. I try to keep my stream very negative. That is very true. Crazy Mike, how's it going? How's it going, Crazy Mike? How was your birthday? It was Crazy Mike's birthday the other day. Was it really your birthday, or were you just doing that for clickbait? Yeah, I'm leaving the U.S. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's not clickbait. It's true. True statements. Oh yeah, look what I got. Check it out. See? Wants me to enter a new time. Guys, make sure to follow Dog with Glasses on. Make sure to follow Crazy Mike. Crazy Mike's freaking crazy. I can't go to your stream without laughing out loud every 5 seconds. It's true. Now I feel bad for the second part of your joke? Yeah, you should feel bad. Alright, so I think we fixed our bug. That was a stupid diversion. Took an hour to reformat this and fix a bug. So let me just click a lot of stuff. Oh. What? What? So now it just hides it completely? What is happening? What is happening? Oh my god. Okay. Whoa. This is crazy. So now when I click these buttons, it's thinking I'm clicking these left and right buttons. Huh. This is freaking bizarre. What if I use the keyboard? If I use the keyboard, I feel like it works. It's just the mouse controls that are bunked up. So I'm using the keyboard now, only. Look at that. Keyboard works great. Nothing breaks. Look, it even knows the right thing. I'm looking in the right places. It's just mouse controls. It's just these stupid button presses. Look, I can do this all day long. All day long. I can smash the keyboard with random stuff and it doesn't break. But the second I go click... What the funk? Wait, so why are you leaving the US? Why not? Triangles, how's it going? I saw you redeemed the bacon pancakes before. I didn't say good morning, so how you doing? Is Pep all ready? Yeah, she's ready, she's ready. I got everything. Sorry, my cat's trying to eat my cereal. FB! FB! So what's going on with these clicks? You can't click these sub-menus. I'm trying to find... Mixor Studio, how's it going? I'm off to Japan. I am moving to Japan. For how long? For the rest of your life? For a few years. Are you really? You didn't know this? It's like all I talk about. It's all I talk about. Yeah, it's really happening. On Tuesday, I have a one-way ticket to Japan, where I will live permanently for an amount of time, undetermined. Your keyboard select and mouse clicks are not doing the same thing. They should be. That's the thing. So here's what's happening. Here's what's happening. Check it out. I have these are buttons, right? And what they do is, where are they? Save slots? No. Character creation. Panel. Panel, scroll views, tabs. Okay, so these tabs, it's these top buttons, right? When they are clicked, on click, they open this menu, right? They open this menu. But I have a sub-menu. They open this sub-menu, right? And this sub-menu has its own tabs. And then these buttons open up these panels, right? So, when I click these buttons, this on-click is not getting called. This on-click is getting called. And I know that because when I click these, it says, trying to find starting panel, body panel, clothing panel. Trying to find starting panel, body panel, clothing panel. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh my god, you moron, Andrew, you absolute moron. It's because I copied him, I duplicated this. And didn't update. Oh my god, you absolute moron. It's supposed to... There we go. User error. Alright, I'm missing some stuff. So, yeah, Zalos, they were not doing the same thing. Because all these buttons were still referencing the thing the other tabs, the wrong tabs. So now I gotta remake all. So this is supposed to be select negative, and then this is supposed to be select positive. Okay. So, tabs, canvas select group. Select bool, negative. Select bool, positive. Okay, this is gonna take a second. Select bool positive. Oh, look at that, it already remembers. And then these all need to be select target. Select game object. And wow, it auto-filled them in. Thank God. I'm craving cereal now. I have not seen a Booyah Grandma stream without Booyah saying he's moving to Japan after every 20 minutes. Yeah, thanks, Sky Ninja. That's how Crazy Mike should know. Whole stream? Whole stream. Don't fall for it. Booyah Grandma's a character role, and the character is moving. You think so? I wish I was more of a character on screen. What you guys are seeing is way too true to who I am. Rubber ducked. Yeah, rubber ducked indeed. Crazy Mike, yes, not talking about it anymore. Right back, right. Thank you for the lurk, Sky Ninja. Unruffled Street. How's it going? What are you working on? I'm working on Alpine Lake. It's a life sim, Innkeeper-Sim. I think we've been going for about an hour, so why don't I introduce myself to all the newcomers. My name is Andrew, and I'm working on Alpine Lake, and here's the trailer. This is annoying. Get that shit out of here. Stardew Valley plus The Sims. That's what we're making. Building and decorating. There it is. There it is. Evby, question marks. LOL, my cat wrote that. He's so funny this morning. I don't believe you. Code space. So Discord doesn't understand how package manager works, and it will break everything like 2 weeks with an update. So I just go to the files and edit the Discord version to make it. Then it is a new version. That is, you're all about the low level stuff. I can't get as low level as you. You're always manipulating and doing weird stuff. I'm impressed. Unruffled. The game looks nice and well defined. Thank you. I've been working on it for 3.5 years. So feel free to give it a wishlist on Steam. It's a lot of features. Yeah, it's a lot of features. That's why it's been 3.5 years. But I'm here. I've been here almost every day in the last month, but my schedule is going to be flipped on its head once I move, and it's going to go back down to 2 or 3 days a week. I think I want to do 3 days a week. So welcome in. Feel free to follow. Feel free to wishlist, and feel free to hang out while we fix these bugs. Wait. So what was the deal? We fixed it. We fixed the bug. We figured it out. User error. I'm an idiot. These submenus are all referencing the old tabs. We need to reference the new tabs. Move left, move right need to be the bool select. Buttons need to be the target selects. And we're back. We did it. We fixed it. I knew that I coded the crap out of this thing, and there was nothing wrong with it. Totally user error. So now, let's just do a lot of clicking. Look at that. Okay, we're back. Can't break it. Can't break me. Can't break me. Look at that. Okay, we're solid. Wait, we broke it. We're trying to find pants. Oh, look at that. It has pants selected, but the button's not updating. Oh, we broke it. Oh, we broke it. Yep, we broke it. How did I break it? Wait, so what is happening right now? It's just the wrong button showing. So this one's not broken. If I go back here, it's just this one that's broken. So if I select hats, pants gets highlighted. It looks off by 1 until I get to hats. And then glasses is right. I think I know what's going on. Okay. So that issue is because of the order. The order in which these are added, maybe? Glasses, hats. PDNZ. Thank you for the follow. How are you doing? Welcome in. You're using Vim and Emacs. Bring together to enemies. So you taught me what Emacs is. Digitepo, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How you doing? Yeah, so you taught me what Emacs are. Now I know. Cool game. Thank you. First time chatter. I appreciate it. So yeah, so multiple triangles redeemed. Add me to the alpha. Multiple triangles has redeemed that so many times, but I know why they do it, and I appreciate it. It's to remind me to tell you, you can play the alpha right now if you redeem that very cheap channel redeem. Add me to the alpha. If anyone's interested in trying it out. Multiple alphas. Yes. Multiple triangles, multiple alphas. I love it. But yeah, you know, disclaimer, it's an alpha. It's not finished. You're going to reach a point where you're going to be confused because it's not finished. It's just how it goes. IPO, thank you for the follow. What is with all the follows today? I like Saturday mornings. Welcome in, everyone. I'm collecting keys to resell. Emacs is a text editor, and Vim is a text editor. Oh, wait, okay, so I know Vim is Vim is, F Vim. Anytime I do something in Git and it's like, whoa, I don't know what you want. Here's Vim. I don't know how to do it. So what I usually do is I command Q. I literally just shut down Git and I restart because I don't even know how to exit Vim. Thanks for streaming Unity. You're welcome for streaming Unity. There's a lot of great Unity streamers on Twitch. We got a few of them right here. Crazy Mike, Dog with Glasses. Who am I missing? Anyone else here streaming Unity? Raise your hand. Broski, I have an ad block. Why am I getting ads? Because Twitch is too smart. No such thing as a good Unity streamer. Real Sky Ninja's upset because I guess he streams Godot. And Roblox. I don't know why you're so mad, Sky Ninja. We're talking about Unity here. Fixing merge conflicts is annoying regardless of what editor you're using. Yeah, that's why if I have a merge conflict, usually what I'll do is I'll just stash it. I'll stash it and do it again. I do not deal with merge conflicts. Alright, so we did break something. So let's see, what did we break? Are these in the right order? Glasses, hats, shoes, shoe colors, shirts, shirt colors, pants. Yeah. Glasses. Oh, look at that. Glasses, hats. It was off by 1 in the wrong direction. So the fact that that requires to be in the right order, that's bad coding on my part. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to move on with your life. Pro tip. Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to work. Alright, anyway. Let's bash some buttons to see if we can break it again. Okay, we select the right one now. Let's bash the keyboard and bash the mouse. Oh, we broke. Okay, that breaks it. Damn it! Does it reset? Okay, if I do the keyboard... Wait a minute. Oh my god, what did we do? So it only fixes it if we go back... So you know what? Maybe canvas selector should... I think what it does is it unhides the previous and it hides the previous and unhides the next one. What it should do is hide all of them. Well, yeah, this is being held by... This is... As you can see, if I click and use the keyboard, it doesn't like it. It's possible that... Also, why is there a shirt here? Oh, because it was... Yeah, they were both active. Alright, why is this happening? I don't want to fix these bugs today. These are stupid bugs. I want to do something fun. This is lame. I know what's happening. Like, it takes time to open these. I'm gonna do a hack. I'm gonna make them open instantly. Yeah, it's gonna be a lame hack, but whatever. So instead of taking 0.1 second to fade, I'm gonna say 0.01. Or I'll just say 0. 0 fade time. They'll open instantly, and then you just won't be able to open two at the same time. And then starting panel, also 0. And then these panels need to be fade time is already 0.05, but make it 0. You think I could still break it? Probably. Because there is a coroutine in there. But it only waits 1 frame, so I guess if you hit both at the same exact time, it'll still do both. Oh, actually, yeah, I can't break it now. I can't break it. So it was all that fade time. Alright, we're fixed. We're done. That's better than fixing in code, right? Fix it in the editor. It's a very edge case thing. So I'm fine with this. Gotta learn to move on with your life. So no window activated. We'll keep that one. Let's get rid of all the other prints. Alright, cool. Cool. Who's excited for the Community movie? I'm excited. Did everyone see Dune? I didn't see Dune yet. Don't tell me what happens. Who would use keyboard and mouse at the same time? I don't know. What if someone's cat walks across the keyboard while you're clicking? You know, that happens to Evie all the time. How do you... Wait. How do you have a merge conflict? Aren't you a solo dev? That's true. No, I never have merge conflicts. But sometimes at work. So, wait, there's an ad running in a minute. What does snooze do? Oh, it snoozes at 5 minutes. At work, I work on the pipeline of our company, and it's basically just me and one other person. So sometimes we'll have a merge conflict. Sometimes. My job is fully remote. Well, I've been going into the office, but I don't have to. And obviously when I move, I won't be. So, my job is fully remote. Okay, I can move on now. Let's move on. Let's move on. Oh my god, he's right. He wasn't lying. He wasn't lying. That's his cat's butt on the question mark key. Oh, don't touch that key. Cat's butthole just suctioned right on. That's ridiculous. Oh my god. You went from hating cats to a cat person in like one day. I understand most, but why Japan? It's crazy expensive there, isn't it? No, it's not crazy expensive there. It's like, you know, a first world expensive city, but I've lived in New York, San Francisco, and LA. It's cheaper than all of those, so let's do it. Crazy Mike. When you visit, though, it's expensive because hotel prices don't fluctuate with the economy. Hotel prices only, they basically fluctuate with the US dollar and the global market. So you'll go there and you'll be like, why are hotels so expensive? But then you'll go like to a normal restaurant that's not meant for tourists and you'll spend like $10 on a set course menu and you'll realize, oh, Japan doesn't have to be expensive. It just is because tourism. Like, they understand, you know, the power of the foreign economy, and they know that they can charge certain prices if they're made for tourists. Tokyo's housing is crazy, but daily expenses seem pretty cheap when you visit it. Yeah, but even the housing is like, I mean, it's a city, it's a major city, but it's cheaper than LA, it's cheaper than New York, and they're in a recession, so everything's on sale. Renting ain't bad there, yeah. It's not. It's really not bad. If you live 30 minutes outside the city and you commute to work, you can spend like $1,500 on a decent sized apartment, you know, like a 2-bedroom. But it's all relative, you know. And for anyone living in like you know, I don't know, cities that aren't major cities where rents are cheap or relatively cheap. I'm sure the numbers sound crazy, but it is relative. Like, the jobs pay more in major cities, so just gotta think about that too. 4 people at a conveyor belt sushi was like sub $40. An equivalent amount in the US is like 100 plus. Yeah, definitely. They're always in a recession. Yeah, it's been like a 30-year recession. Steady decline. Holy hell, just checked Big Mac Index. Japan is one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest, for first world countries. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's not that expensive. It's a myth. It's a total facade. The fact that, because when I first went to Japan like 5 years ago, I was like, oh my god, this is the most expensive place in the world. I've never experienced a place this expensive. And then I went a second time and I dug a little deeper, right? I didn't do all the surface level tourist stuff. I dug a little deeper. I'm like, oh, okay, it's actually pretty comparable. And then the third time I went, I dug even deeper. And it was like, all right, actually, you know, I think it's relative. Like, it's not expensive or inexpensive, it's just relative. And then the fourth time I went, I didn't do any tourism stuff. I just tried to live like a local because I was looking for an apartment. And it was cheap AF. Cheap AF. It was refreshing. Spent, like, I ordered DoorDash yesterday. I ordered a bowl of rice and salmon, and it was $30. $30. It's crazy. I was like, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. But I was starving, and I was working, and I just needed to take care of it. That shit doesn't fly in over there. It's different. Anyway. Now I'm curious if it's based on smaller size or something. I don't know. I don't think their declining population helps their economy. I find the only expensive part is the flight. Yeah, the flight and the hotels. That's the only expensive thing. But it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be. Alright. Let's move on. And I just realized I think the latest version on the Steam page, or on the Steam store, is version 8. So let me up this to version 9. Version 9. And let's check the old list, the old listy list. You have expensive taste, though? Not anymore. When I was younger. I used to spend. Ad starting soon, sorry. Food's kind of expensive. It can be. They've got the whole gamut of cheap to expensive, as any city does. All right, I didn't finish Oriel's shop. Let's check it out. Let's run there. Yeah, I think the moral of the story is it can be expensive. It can be cheap. Depends on how you divide your time, how you spend your time. Anyway, I feel like I talked too much about it. Crazy Mike's right. What's Jeff doing? He's just standing there on the bridge. He's supposed to be going to work. Why did he do that? Why was he just standing there? He's supposed to be walking like he is right there. That was weird. Weird. I don't know. I don't mind it so much. He's reading the latest newsletter from the Hive. No hide. No hide. Okay. So, yeah, I think I ended the last stream, like, coming in here for the first time. And then I started getting work slacks, like, hey, you gotta log on and do work now. So let's pick up where we left off. This is where we left off. How do we like it? How do we like this as an antique shop? I feel like I need like a tag. Some kind of tag item that shows these are all for sale. Also, he doesn't... Oh, he can't reach his spot back there. So let me add... I'm gonna make like a antique store style price tag, and I'm just gonna place it on everything. Yeah, and he can't get back there anymore. So let's move this over. Still can't get back there. Guess I can move this out a little. Fake. Okay, now he can reach it. Now he can reach it. There we go. This feels a little empty over here. I'm wondering if I should do something like this. Move these over, fill up that space. Just slap this in there. And this chair, make this not walkable. Why? These are all the same. Why can't I mass effect them? Revert. Revert. Nav mesh. Okay, you can kind of still walk up there. That's really stupid. So nav mesh, revert, but this should be not walkable. Ignore from build? No, no, no. Oh yeah, I guess ignore from build. Nav mesh, bake. Oh, hello. Made it worse. Let's, okay, so not ignore from build. Nav mesh, revert, and then override, not walkable. Revert, override, not walkable. How about that? Nav mesh, bake. There we go. Do one of these. One of these. Okay, so now we have a weird shape going. Great. Walk on the couch? What? I don't know. No, no, no. No walking on the couch. Oh, this is so annoying. Revert. Anything else weird you can walk on? Yeah, these guys. No! Don't walk on the Adirondack chairs. Fake. Alright, that looks good. Any weirdness? Any other weirdness? No. No. No, we're good. We're done. Okay. So, how do I want Oriole to actually sell this stuff, right? That's a good question. If I go to Oriole Merchant... No, more Merchant? Oriole... Huh. Where's his Merchant inventory? And should he sell stuff, or should he only give you stuff when you do favors for him? Look at that. Okay, he doesn't sell anything. I never set him up as a merchant. Should he be a merchant? Yeah, he should be a merchant. Let's make him a merchant. He would be happy for the sales. It's been weeks. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Create child node. And then this will be shop. And we'll make this up here. And in order to shop with a merchant, I need to throw an event. I need to throw an event. And that event is, I don't remember. Carlos, start, shop. Alright, he says, here's what I've got, and then we send this message. Let's just do the same thing. Copy. paste this. Paste nodes. Make link. This needs to be Oreo. Shop. Take a look around. And then we throw this can show merchant UI. That means Oriel now needs to have the merchant component, and he needs an inventory. So let's grab Carlos's inventory. Merchant inventory Carlos. We'll say merchant inventory Oriel. And I need a way to dynamically change these, you know. I want, like, throughout the seasons for his inventory to change. Or for any reason, you know. Are you here to buy from me? No. Give me a free desk? Of course not. You think Oriel's a little sassy? Oriel is a little sassy. Alright, so what should he sell? What should he sell? Right now, what things can't you get? So I was trying to think of the categories of what should be sold and what should be crafted. And I was thinking, basically, he should sell anything that isn't like a requirement. That isn't like something you'd want to throw in every room. You know, like unique things. Like the merch, like the pirate stuff we made, the pirate decorations, and the lucky cat. All of those things are kind of unique. You know, you wouldn't craft that. You don't make a lucky cat, but you would buy one. So I feel like he should. Oriel's store is only for unique decorations. Which, yeah, it makes me think a little bit. Let's start with just adding a few things. So first thing, so he definitely won't sell. He should sell a porthole windows to finish off the pirate set. I feel like we already have a hangable thing, you know, the wheel. That's already a wall hangable thing. Let's start with that. We'll sell that. The ship wheel. The lucky cat. The lamp. The rug. What are other things that shouldn't be craftable? Let's look at all of our items. Look at all the items. Resources. Items. So, what would you find in an antique store? The chest, maybe. Yeah, the chest. You should be able to buy a chest and make a chest. Maybe eventually, like, the two will be different. Something. The paintings. Yeah, the paintings. Here we go. Let's lock this. So, the two paintings, right? We got painting, creepy painting. And I want to have a lot more, so naming this painting is probably a bad idea. But I'll probably end up just doing like painting A through Z. Or one, you know, number them. Right, what else we got? Beds. Maybe he sells the double bed. Maybe you can't make the double bed, you have to buy it. Single bed B. So we have a desk item here. I don't use it yet. End table. Fire pit. Adirondack. Oh, so the Adirondack chair, it's literally in there. So we might as well sell it, right? And what else? Regular chair. Regular chair. The sconce. There's no way to get the sconce, right? Actually, I think it's a blueprint. Yeah, it's a blueprint you can find in the world. It doesn't hurt to sell it though. Actually, yeah, I don't want to do both. I don't want to do both. What else we got? Cowboy tub. Oh, and the hot tub. Yeah, the cowboy tub and the hot tub. Or in the hot tub. You can't buy those anywhere. So let's sell both. Where's the hot tub? Hot tub. Okay. Look at that. So we have a decent list of things here. The campfire. That's one thing. So we find the campfire. It's you can make a campfire, but maybe we sell the fire pit, the updated campfire. All right, we did it. We've got a merchant and a bunch of inventory. Everything is 10 gold though, so there is that problem. I got a very nice critique that, you know, the pacing of the game falls apart after you do all the quests. Because, yeah, I haven't designed the economy. Everything costs 10 gold, and I haven't balanced how much gold you get when guests stay. That's definitely next on my list. I can't do that on stream, though. It takes too much brain power. It's like I need to focus. And anything I do on stream is like half paid attention to. Alright, let's just make sure he works. And I can shop from him. You played 10 hours over multiple inns and I've never made it a third bed? Yeah. That's crazy. Thanks for playing the game for that long. Also, I need this hotspot to be inside. I don't want it out here. So if I talk to him... Hello. Shop. Take a look around. Ship wheel, lucky cat, lamp, rug, chest, creepy painting, chair, Adirondack chair. That's great. Why do I show your inventory? What's the point of showing your inventory when you're... Yeah, at a merchant. I don't allow selling. You can't sell it. Do you think that these should be unique? Like, there's only one? Or should it be like, you know, just an unlimited thing? I feel like, to balance the game better, it should just be one. And maybe every week it replenishes. What do you guys think? I'm sure it's going to be annoying if it's only one, but I feel like it makes more sense game design-wise. I don't know. It'll make the items be more tangible. I think knowing how many you already own would be useful, but that doesn't require an inventory screen. Yeah, I could just say how many you own, but it's hard to know how many you own, because I'd have to check every inventory in your property, and I'd have to check all the decorations that are placed. I mean, it's not doable. It's definitely doable. It's just definitely a little bit of a pain. Because I just kind of want to make this the whole screen. Like I want to put your money up here, and I want to make this the whole screen and not show your inventory. Like, what's the point? Less useful for decorations, but would be for something like screws. Oh yeah. For resources. I'm definitely gonna consider that, because I do think it's annoying when you don't know what you have. But should like, if I hit buy hot tub, should that go away? Should I not be able to buy another hot tub? I don't know. It certainly will be a pain in the butt if I have to track that. Like, I guess I can add a checkbox here that's like purchased, and then I have to serialize it and save the merchant inventories. Ooh, what a pain. And then if I want to refresh it, I gotta... Okay. I'm gonna write that down. I don't want to do that right now, but I feel like it's gonna have to be a thing. Where do I even put all these notes now? I've got too many notes sections. This is the last playthrough, February 29th. I guess I'll make a new one. Oh yeah, this is all my to-dos. Furniture Thoughts. I'll just put, instead of this being called Furniture Thoughts, it'll be called... let's see. It's kind of... It's not priorities, it's future tasks. Yeah, Oriole's Shop. Inventory changes to start the season. Should items be unique and become unavailable when purchased? Gotta think about that. Should I put a pop-up here that says turn on? Or should I leave it a secret? Also, it's bugging me that this is supposed to be perfectly loopable. I think it's the animation keys being compressed. Bugging me. Wacky. Wacky arm guy. Animations. Keyframe reduction off. Apply. I play it here. It still does that. Seems like the frame range is off. We start at frame 2, and we end at frame 32? 35? Did I just not have this long enough? I don't know what the end frame is, actually. Resample curves? No. Why? It's better. It's not... It still has a little bit of a pop. But it looks better. It was going wacky before. I mean, he's supposed to be wacky. He's wacky arm guy, but... not too wacky. Alright, we're gonna give him a pop-up. Show floating icon name. And then... display name is... Wacky arm guy. Show player interaction help? Yes. Toggle. Esbin, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you doing? Wacky arm guy toggle. There we go. Alright, that looks better. Ridiculous. Oh, I wish I could just use this music for the game, right? It's just so good. It's so perfect. You know what? I haven't seen if I can see off the map here. Oh, it looks like I should add a little secret pathway. Maybe maybe one of the NPCs hangs out in that little secret pathway. It's gonna bug people. Also, I don't like these picnic benches anymore, you know? Show us your dog. Let's see, do I have any new photos of her? Did I take any new photos of her? Here's my dog. No, this is my friend's cat. I don't have any new photos of her. You know what I'll do? I'll scroll back and I'll show an old photo of her. Let's find a good one. Okay, so in the morning, after we go on a walk, sometimes we'll get back in bed and she curls up in my legs. And here she fell asleep with her foot. Well, I guess she's not sleeping, but her foot's just dangling off the couch. There she is. I feel like it's time. I feel like it's time to say, let's move on and make more content. You know, I've been fixing bugs, I've been polishing, I've been trying to tighten up the game as much as I can, you know. And the alpha testing was incredible. You guys have all been incredible testers. And I really appreciate all the help. And it might be time to take a step back add content, not update the alpha for a bit. Should I do that? What do you think? Am I ready? To the testers out there, is there anything that was truly horrendous that needs to be addressed before I move on to adding content. I'm gonna pop into the Discord and see where the notes left off. So, he does... Okay, Eugene needs to remind you to build a private room. And I want to make some starting... I'm gonna make some starting recipes, so you're not like completely in the lurch. So Carlos is gonna give you a bunch of recipes to start with. Not just when he gives you the crafting table, he's gonna also give you some starting recipes. So we'll go to quests. Because everyone, you know, like you said, Triangles, you play for 11 hours, you never made a third bed. So let's start there. So he says, just take it. He gives you a crafting table. Let's also give you the ability to make beds. Add item. I have a function somewhere. Might be some minor things, but working on the balancing and getting the game to be a good Innkeeper-Sim would be good. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Like, I want to work on that. Okay, so I have a gift-giving system. That's how I give transactions. Got it. So here I want to pity party rewards. What is pity party rewards? Gifts. It's I give. Oh wait, I give 2. Wait a minute. Do you get 2 crafting tables when you finish this quest? So I could just add them here. Rewards. So here you get now, I don't remember. Yeah, something... I'll test that in a second. So I want to give a bunch of recipes. I want you to be able to make foundation. I want you to be able to make walls. Wall. And I want you to be able to make doors. So you can instantly make a bigger inn. With doors and a bed, and that's it. Bed single, the cheapest of beds. So the cheapest of beds you'll be able to make right away. And now I need to, so this will be a good way to help me balance all the prices of everything, right? So the transaction for recipe bed. What does it cost to make this? A wood plank, some regular wood, some nails, and some plant fiber. 5, 5, 6, and 10. So the only thing you can't get is you can't get nails. And maybe this early bed won't cost wood planks. Maybe only later beds will cost wood planks. Like this bed is a cheapo bed. It's just regular wood. So let's do that. So wood, nails, and fiber. And the only thing we can't get... Let's make these expensive because wood's not that hard to get. So you can buy nails, right? You can buy nails from Carlos, but I want you to be able to make nails as well. And that's where the forge comes into play. We gotta make the forge. I had this idea where, I mean, forges aren't a new idea, but for Alpine Lake's sake, the forge will have molds. So it's like its own crafting system that you need to find molds. So when you find the mold for making nails, you can then forge nails. When you find the mold for any kind of metal thing, then you can make that metal thing with the right metal. So that's what I want to do. Something like that. And I'll start just by Let's just look up what a forge, could look like. So what do the different forges look like in all these different games? So we have Minecraft forges, right? Minecraft forge. Ycat. How's it going? My name's not Michael, so are you talking to a different Michael? Sorry, Ash, it's okay. I'm doing good, how are you? So are these people making their own forges? Is this what the forge item looks like? No, that's not what the forge item looks like. Let's look at Stardew Valley. Forge. Is this another feature? Yeah, basically, so I have like so many features. Well, this is just part of the crafting system. It's not really a feature. It's just gonna be, so I have this type of item that is it's like a processor table, right? So I have a grinder in the game. You put stone in, and it pops out as gravel, right? So it processes an item into another item. So I want a forge to process items into other items. And the only additional thing it needs is you need to insert a mold to tell it what to process to what. That's the only addition. Because in the thing like the grinder, stone always turns into gravel. There's no way to turn it into something else. But the forge, I just want you to be able to put in a mold. So when you put in ore, it pops out as, you know, as what the mold is. I wanted to ask, is there a way to play the current version of Alpine Lake? Yeah. I thought you heard mention of an alpha. Yeah, there's a channel redeem. Check the channel redeems. It's called Add Me to the Alpha. You can play. For anyone out there, you can play right now. I have 5 Steam keys left. But for now, I'm not going to add the additional mold feature. I'm just going to make a new processor item that just turns ore into mold. And then, how do we get ore? And then I finally have a use for unlocking the mines. And I'm going to make ore drop from stone. So sometimes stone will have ore. It'll be similar to Stardew Valley. So this is like the forge in at the top of the mountain. I don't want that forge. I want, what is it called? What is the furnace? That's what. Furnace. Furnace. So it's just a hole. Furnace. My time in Porsche. So the furnace in my time in Porsche is, yeah, it's pretty much what I'm going for. It's pretty similar. There should just be like a combustion area and an air, like just 2 different areas. And it should light up. Now let's look at furnaces in real life. So, smelting furnace? So what do they look like in real life? They just look like tubes. Lord Kenny, how's it going? How are you? We're making a new item right now. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Made some minor progress today, and we're just adding features. Always add features. At a certain point, I need to stop adding features, but so I need to add like a cute version of this, right? A smelting furnace, and I like the idea that there's a an area where the metal is on fire, and then there's one of these, like you know, like a trough that just pours the metal into another section. So let's just sketch it in Maya. Do a 3D sketch. Look at the Pal World furnace. Pal World furnace. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, this is a little rustic. Like the Pal World, I feel like Pal World is a survival game, so everything looks like you built it. But this is going to be like a thing from a hardware store, so it's a professional item. Ooh, what is this? Oh, looks like, so they have upgrades, right? That's just like the first level furnace, and this is like level 5 furnace. Improved furnace, okay. So they have different levels of them, yeah. I'm not sure I'm going to do the whole like improved thing. Nick the Nini, 30 people. There's 30 people here? That's crazy. That's crazy. Thanks for hanging out with me on this Saturday morning. Is it a smelting furnace by any chance? Yes, it is. I'm gonna call it smelting furnace. Or should I call it smelter? Because I think they all call it furnace. I'm gonna call it smelter. You know, it's stupid because the grinder item that I have looks a lot like the way the furnace should look. So where's the grinder? Right? This grinder, it's kind... Oh, so maybe not, I guess. It's gonna be similar. But, you know, it'll be a little different. I don't know. I have to figure out, yeah, how to make this different. Maybe I'll make this square and this circular. And I'll just have to switch it up a bit. So let me start with this thing. It's gonna be perfect. Man, look at this guy. This guy's cool. Let's get it out of the way. Nick, how are you? Alright, so yeah, it is going to be similar. Let's look at some reference again. I liked just the real life reference. So yeah, it's going to be like this. Gold smelting. So here's what I want. I want this to be cylindrical. And doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, let's make it perfect. I don't know why I'm being precious. And it's gonna butt up right against it. that enough subdivision? I think so. So maybe what I'll do is, as it's processing, this graphic can change where, like, there's a liquid metal that grows in here, and I'll definitely have fire down here. Definitely gonna have fire. This is basically gonna be like a chamber of fire. And maybe I'll open them all up so you can see it from any angle. This will not be physically accurate. Bear with me. Is everyone okay if this does not function in real life? You're not okay with this? Damn it. And I almost got away with the 2. In real life, I would just say buy nails from the store instead of a furnace. What's the fun in that? What's the fun in that? I think I'll always have nails purchasable. And it's just about like what you want, where you want your resources to go. If you want to buy them, fine. See if I care. Oops. Almost done. Almost done. Wait, what? These will not merge. Why won't they merge? There we go. There we go. Okay. They all merged? They all merged? They all merged? They all merged. Fill hole, please. Edit mesh. Fill hole. Didn't do it. Why didn't it do it? Fine. Extrude it. You say that, but in real life I do leatherworking, and I've made all my own belts and stuff. When you can just buy it at the store. There you go. There you go. That's cool. Hey, if you want to share anything that you work on, this is a share-friendly zone. I'd love to see some real-life leatherworking. You can drop a link in the chat, or there's a channel in the Discord where you can share your work. Oh, that's funny. This is two separate objects. Let's just start clean. And here. Just gonna square this off. Just to break up the shape. Okay, so now it'll look, I just gotta get it to look way different than this. Maybe not way different, just different enough. So let's put them next to each other and make sure. This is so messy. So messy. Why can't I fill this in? All right, we good? We're good. Reset. No, we want component, and then there we go. Clean. That's clean. I get so focused when I'm working on models. So focused. I realized I could just delete these square. There we go. Square. Now, what should this furnace look like? This kind of bowls up. Maybe I want just the opposite shape here. I want it to be flared at the bottom. Okay, there we go. Now it has a much different silhouette. Should break it apart. And I like that cage window. I thought the cage was pretty cool. Is there a more modern version of that, though? Hmm. So here's the logic. Actually, I'm not even sure what the logic is. The firewood goes down here, right? Firewood goes down here. And it heats up this area. And then this is where you put the ore, and then the ore melts, pours out into the mold. That's the logic, right? So maybe the cage should really block this thing. And this should just be a door. Maybe that's the true logic. Let me make this a perfect cube. And then I'll put a door here. These normals need to be unlocked. Right? No. Set harden angle. Why? There we go. So we'll have like a little window here where it can come out, and then a door here, and a cage here, and perfect. Perfect. Now the true question is, should I finish making it now, or should I implement it into the game right? You know what I think I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove this piece from the grinder because I don't know, it just doesn't really make sense right now. This makes sense. This doesn't make sense. Or maybe it should be like one of these. Alright, that'll break it up even more. Cool. Cool. So here's the real question. Do I go to yoga in an hour? Or do I do all the chores I laid out for myself? I have so many chores I need to do. Gotta take care of all the affairs. Here's a belt you made for a LARP. Nice. Oh, wow. Whoa. That's crazy. That's really good. Look at that detail. Oh my god. Did you have to like hand carve that, or is it a stamp that you run it through, or? This looks great. That's some crazy fine detail. That's pro right there. You're a pro leather worker. Awesome. Zalos. Secret talents. I love it when you reveal your secret talents to me. Each symbol you see is an individual stamp. Okay. So like this, these. I'm assuming these are the same. So do you have to like apply this and then perfectly apply this and not mess it up? Man, this is crazy. It's really nice. Really nice. Sorry. Sorry about the ads. Hey. Okay, so we want a cage and a door and an opening. And maybe, oh, you know, we probably want like a spout here for smoke. Yeah, we definitely want a spout. Make your money. Do you know how much money I make from ads? Do you want to know how much money Twitch streams make from ads? I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Let's see. If I go into the monetization, ads, nope. Analytics? Analytics, earnings. So on my last stream, right? Say my stream on Thursday. If I go to ad revenue, I'm going to turn off everything except ad revenue. Okay. I made 20 cents. 20 cents. So, I don't care about making ad revenue. If I look at all the advertising... Oh, if I total it up, though. Interesting. If I total it up... in 1 month, I made $4. Right? Is that how it works? From February to today, from February 9th to today, I made $4 in ad revenue. I don't know. If I can turn them off, I would, but I really like having channel redeems, so gotta deal with it. A lot of people are really good at configuring their Twitch, and they have all these commands, and they have their own custom point system, and they use bots for it, and they don't affiliate, so you don't have to have ads. But you'll still get Twitch ads. Like, you won't get channel ads, but you'll still get Twitch ads, I think. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna make a little spout, a little smokestack. I'm gonna taper it. Make a little dinghy. Why is this music happening? It's Zelda. It got to the end, so it's all like night songs. Let's skip this one. There we go. Alright, how's that for a smokestack? Soften these edges. Soften. It's a little ugly. Harden these edges. Okay, there we go. That's better. Alright, I like that. And we'll make it cute by making it big. It was nice and creepy. These sound like Zelda jazz chords. It's the raw Zelda song. Raw. Uncut. Well, no, they're definitely cut up. Because it's only the cozy parts that are taken out. Alright, let's do something a little more upbeat. Boom. Boom. There we go. There we go. And I need to decide if I'm gonna keep going or not. Let's check my calendar. What do I gotta do today? I gotta go to the store and I gotta buy stupid stuff. I gotta pack. I gotta throw stuff out. I gotta take stuff to Salvation Army. I have to have dinner with someone. Does yoga fit into that schedule? I think it does. It would be really stupid to skip it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'll wait until the last possible second to decide. Okay. I like the smokestack. I like the strong shape of it. It's squared, but it's got puffy edges. I do want to do this. Give it a tap. I'm gonna give it a cap. And I want to give it a base. I actually like that less. I like the straight. Okay. Let's not mess with it. Let's give it a door. Let's give it a door. And to give it a door, I'm going to just pop this out. Do a little speed modeling. All right, so here is where I want a window. want these to be nice rounded edges. I should be symmetrizing this. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Okay. And I turn symmetry on now. Yeah, I can. Whoa, not merge. Bevel. Not merge. Bevel. Okay, that's too many segments. And then let's make this nice and puffy. Okay. This is perfect, perfect, perfect. Here's the door. Ooh, these normals are bad. Does that fix them? A little bit, a little bit. Whoa. Whoa, what's up with that? Mesh tools. Set. Oh, there we go. I clicked the wrong button. All good. Normals are fine. And we need a little doorknob. Little doorknob. Doorknob. Done. Okay, so now I gotta cut this hole out. You. We're out of here. Do I want you to be able to see inside? No. No. You should not be able to see inside. I'm just gonna put a window. Yeah, I'll just put something there. And then the cage down here. Soften it to make it look like bars. Does that look like a bar? Kinda. Yeah, looks enough like a bar. One. Beautiful. Alright, so now we got a cage on all sides. Are we almost done with this thing? Yeah. Yeah, we're almost done. It's looking okay. I don't like the base anymore, though. Maybe it's because... it needs to be unlocked. Unlock. Nope. Oh, and I do need the hole here. Okay, let's add this hole. The juicer crushers. I do have a mixer in the game where you can like make juices, but I don't have specific juice recipes yet. Okay, there we go. Oh, whoops, look at that. I need the edges. Okay, there we go. That was bugging me. Alright, and now I just need a window panel. One polygon. Oops. Indicator light. So I'm gonna have a smoke particle effect. I'll have a fire particle effect. And there's actually a GUI that pops up with a turning wheel, so you'll know it's going. But I like the light idea too. It depends. Like, should I have like flames? Should I do that? I don't know. Let's get in the game, see what's going on. I think I'm done. I think it looks good. So this is going to be called the smelter. I'm not going to call it a furnace because I got to be different. And is this done? Do I want to do anything to this? It's just a cylinder. I'll give it a strong base, make it bigger. And yeah, that's fine. Oh, actually, let me give it a... yeah, I'll give it a metal, like a metal graphic line. How long have you been doing stuff in Maya? Seems like you know it well. I've been doing it for... let's see, I learned Maya in 2006. What is that? 18 years? It's 18 years. Oh my god. Shit. Oh man, Zurith! With the Prime? That's crazy! Thank you. How are you? How are you doing? That's special. We know about Prime subs here. We know how special they are. I really appreciate it. You doing alright? Just getting some morning coffee? Nice. I already finished my coffee. I need more, but I gotta stick to 1 cup a day. I don't want to go down that route. Wow. Yeah. Thank you for the Prime. It's crazy. How am I doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I feel like I got some quality work done today. I'm a little nervous. I got a lot of chores to do. This might be my last stream for a couple of weeks because I gotta get settled in the new country. New freaking country. Other than that, I'm okay. I thought I was getting sick last night, but I don't think I am. I think I'm okay. I think I'm just exhausted, and the exhaustion was being interpreted as sickness. Actually, okay, so everything looks really structured in metal, but then this looks like lumpy. So why does this look so lumpy? Let me hard edge. Let me hard edge everything. Just see what's going on here. All right, so it does hard edge. Nothing better than free monies from Amazon to help feed the indie scene. Yeah. Hells yeah, yeah. We know. We take it straight from Jeff Bezos' pocket. I have direct access to his bank account through Prime subs. If you ever wanted to stick it to the man, drop a sub on your favorite indie dev. I'm not saying that's me. Could be anyone. Well, maybe this is bothering me too. This very thin line. I don't like thin lines in this game. Yeah. And then we want... Oh wait, I can't do that, can I? If I do this? Oh, look at that, it does work. Alright, there we go. Are we done? Do I want to give this feet? No, let's get rid of these feet. And then all this is garbage. Base. Just to ground it some more. There we go. Now that looks powerful. That looks like a powerful machine. It's like an obelisk. Give it a little bevel. Why is it so upset about these edges? Oh, no. Like, this is... It shouldn't be softening this so much, but you know what? I do want to give these a bevel, too. Everyone gets a bevel. And then I'll match that. Okay, what do we think? Yeah, it looks nothing like this now. We've completely transformed it. There's no way you can mistake these two things for each other. And this thing needs work. Now this thing has been elevated to a point where this looks kind of stupid. Let's color it. Ooh, that looks nice. What did I hit? I hit lit mode. Oh, they look so nice in my viewport. Sometimes my viewport impresses me. Is that everything? That's everything. Get all these in there. So I'm going to... Let's just give everything a good old-fashioned... Oh, let's merge it. Merge it, And yeah, so first I'll assign everything everything gets shiny matte. Then merge. Then smelter. Geo. Reset. Group. Smelter. Group. Freeze. Time to color. Let's color it in. Do some fresh UVs. Create planar. In the Z-axis. Apply. Okay. So what color should everything be? Let's start by shrinking everything down really small. Alright, so these pieces of metal should be gray, right? We'll make the door a little lighter. This base, I feel like, should be dark. These bars. Ooh, how annoying. How annoying. Oh, it's so annoying. Make these a kind of metal as well. Make it the bright metal. This window should be... make it blue. Smokestack. Make it a dark metal. This thing, we'll make it a dark metal. Doorknob. Dark metal. And then this thing, I want it to be charcoal. Perfect. Back. What this? Welcome back. We're making a furnace. Oh, and then this is the metal itself, like the ore. Make this silvery. That's cool. The window's done though. What do I do with the window? Like a tint? And then I don't like how the whole structure is gray. Just a big medium gray. What can I do about that? If I make it dark blue? Nah. What can I do here? What can I do? Maybe this lighter grayish blue? That's better. Try green. Trying to figure out the best color for this furnace. It seems like metal. It seems like it should be, yeah, just this. And then maybe these accents get brighter to contrast. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now the base being brown. Not sure about that. I think I'll make the base a medium gray. Okay, alright. It's still lacks all color. The base was the only thing that had color. Now I took it away. Back to brown. Finite Singularity! How's it going? How are you? Guys, we have a legend in chat. Going well, how am I? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm just doing some modeling, making a new item for the game. For those of you who don't know, Finite Singularity, yeah, he's a legend. He makes a lot of the very, very common OBS plugins that almost all streamers use. I don't know about that. Yeah, you're a legend. Everyone knows your plugins. I don't use them. I said this when I rated you the other day. I don't use them. I wanted to use the outline, but I felt like I just didn't want to copy people. I just keep it like this. But But they're very cool, and I encourage anyone, especially streamers, who are looking for some cool plugins for OBS, shader stuff. Check out Finite Singularity. Check out his plugins. Yeah. All right, so we're making it. This is these are all the items in the game. Not really. These are some of the items in the game. And this is going to be the smelter for smelting ore. Are we good here? Oh, you know what? I should make the tip of this black because, you know, it's been smelting ore all day. And I have the power to do that. It's not actually that noticeable. But if I do this, let's grab the vertex. Yeah. All right, so this part we need to be down here, part of the gradient. And this part we'll add up here. It's a little lighter. Is that more noticeable? Yeah, that is a nice darkness gradient there. Watching you make models makes me want to turn my blender on, make some vertice juice. Yeah, get in there. Make them models. I think we're done. Let's export it. Furniture export. We want to add this to it. Send to Unity. Furniture. Where's furniture? I always forget. Curdy Bear. How's it going? Curdy Bear. Curdy Bear. Decorations. Furniture. Here we go. Yes. So it's basically going to be the same as the grinder. So we'll take all the grinder stuff, duplicate it. 1, 2, 3. Duplicate. And this is going to be the smelter. Oh, look at that. I already have a sci-fi smelter icon. No, but we make our own icons here. So instead of grinder geo, it's going to be smelter geo. Boom. And we'll just make everything metal. Boom. Wow. Ooh, that looks kind of cool. It's a little too shiny. I don't think everything should be metal. Okay, that's the last thing I need to do. So everything that's not metal. This is not metal. This is not metal. This is not metal. And this is not metal. Oh, what was that? Calendar event. What do I got going on? It's a bad calendar event. Fake news. This is gonna be abandoning your friends and moving to Japan. Yeah, that's on my calendar. Shiny. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that looks nice. Eating lots of good food. Yep, that's on the list. Smelter geo. Alright, so what else do I need? I need to change this from grinder to smelter. I need to, instead of saying, oh, look at that, it says saw. So this is, should say smelt, and then the grinder should say grind. Grind has no E at the end, right? Yeah. Smelter. It should make the smelter. core, smelter. 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 Smelters. What is this for? Use this to melt ore to usable objects. Melt raw, maybe, okay, let's melt raw ore into, what are they called? Ingots? Oops, not ingot, smelter. Is that it? So this thing is going to be worth, I guess just 10's good for now. Everything is worth 10. Every single thing. So this restrictive inventory processor. This is the magic that makes it so you can only put certain things in the inventory. Now, what are those item restrictions? The item restrictions for the grinder is wheat and stone. When you put stone in, you get gravel. When you put wheat in, you get flour. For the smelter, I don't actually have ore in the game yet. So let me make ore, right? I don't have resource ore. Resource ore. Nope. I don't even have that yet. So let me make a new resource. It's basically resource wood. Well, let's get resource fiber. Resource plant fiber. Item recipe and a resource plant fiber pool. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I guess I want all these. Okay. And fiber ore. Plant fiber ore. Metal plants. Am I gonna have one kind of ore, or am I gonna have 100 kinds of ore like in Stardew Valley? You know, or in most games they all have like gold, silver, bronze, or copper, silver, gold, whatever. They all have it. I'm gonna stick with just ore for now, because I don't think I'm going for the same. I'm not doing the same thing. No, not plant ore, just ore. Oh, no, I knew that was gonna happen. There's so many things. ORE. Shit. Resource. Ore. There we go. Look at that, we get 5 proficiency when we pick up plant matter. No, we just want 1. Plant fiber. Or, resource. Should I call it raw ore or ore? Raw ore? Probably just ore. Because I think ore, the definition of ore is like raw ore. What is that in the designer there? What do you mean? What is what? And what's the plural for ore? Is it just ore? The states and transitions. Oh, this. This is the conversation. This is the dialogue tree. What is happening? There's like definitely spiders crawling on my face. Something keeps tickling me. Yeah, so this is dialogue system for Unity, made by Pixel Crushers, and here you can organize your dialogue trees. So this is like Carlos's quest conversations. It's really powerful. I recommend it. If you have dialogue trees and a quest system. There's a whole quest system. There's an NPC system. There's a location system. There's an item system, but it's pretty weak. I don't use it. And there's like custom database variables. So they're just like global variables that live at the root that you can do from various things. And yeah, really, really powerful. If you're in Unity and you're making a dialogue heavy game, check it out. All right, so now we have ore. So I'll make it the only thing you can put in here for now. And what does it do? Processor type. I need a new one. I need a new type. Smelter. Does it hook up with localization of some sort? It does. So if I go to the main settings here, I just don't know how it does yet. Merge, export data, or is it search and replace? Localization, export, import. Languages. Checkboxes also update main text when re-importing language files. So I don't know how it works yet. It's here. It's in here, but I just don't know how it works. I don't think it's as simple as like, you know, clicking this conversation bubble and then saying like, here's English, here's Spanish, here's whatever. It's a little more complicated than that. And I don't think I'm going to localize this game. At least not initially. If I get a publisher, sure. I'll ask them to do it. But I don't, it's too much dialogue for me to do myself, especially, that's too much. Ideally, export strings to translators. Yeah, I think it pops out a CSV file, so, you know, you open it in like Excel or something. Then you just add the different columns. Localization's a whole beast that when I started this project, I wasn't as experienced as I am three and a half years later. I probably would have done it way different now if I started now, but I'm too far in. All right, so this is now a smelter type. And I don't think I finished designing the ore item. Let me pop back that resource. Resource ore. Ore. Okay. So the short description. It's ore. Raw metal. A piece of raw metal that can be smelted. Resource ore. And ooh, what? Wait. Oh, that's okay. I'm like, I already had ore, but this is not. That's a piece of rock wall that you bust open to find ore. And okay, that's good there. The ore pool. Resource ore. So I'm just gonna make it so that every once in a while the rocks produce ore. Not as common as stone, but common enough so that you can find some in a little bit. And let's make the ore item. What is the ore? This is grass. I can't believe the grass has the grass shader on it. That's so stupid. I don't want that. Do I have what can I do for ore? What should it look like? It should look like a lumpy something, right? Lumpy something. This is furniture, so I don't want to make it here. Open items, collectibles. Right? Collectibles? Yeah, make it here. So what should ore look like? It should look like... I'm gonna make a... let's see if I can just make it procedurally really fast. So I'm gonna grab this, and I'm gonna grab just a bunch of random vertices. I'll bevel those. Add some divisions. Oh, I can't. Oh, weird. What do I want it to look like? Let me just... Always look at reference. Always look at reference. Sick belt. Sick. Raw ore. What does it look like? Yeah, it looks like that. Yeah. I want it to look like that. You know what I'll do for now? I have an item that I'll just use a stone or something. Cliff, rock. Here. Let's use this. What is this? Rock mat set. It'd be standard material, it'd be universal. I'll just use this for now. Oh, and I'll make it metal. That'll make it look nice. It'll shine. It'll shine. Give it a temp material. Build foliage. Whatever. Create material. Metal ore. Sure. Dark. Yeah, okay, so it'll be shiny and stick out. The one thing in the game that uses physics is resources that pop out of items, so like loot objects. So the one thing in the game that needs colliders, or that needs like colliders that match the shape. We're back to creepy music. Final Fantasy X, yeah. Video game music always goes to creepy stuff eventually. Oh, sorry, I missed a lot, didn't I? Oh my god, just in the zone over here. People have been using AI for a lot of translations. Yeah, I don't trust it. I don't want to do it. I don't trust that it's going to be a good translation. People use Google Translate and such before that, They're all good and bad at different things, yeah. Ashley, how's it going? Happy Saturday. How are you doing? Oh, shoot. It's 10:06. If I'm gonna do yoga, I need to go right now. Am I gonna do it? Am I gonna do it? I think I should. I'm gonna do it. I gotta stay healthy. I gotta get zen, yo. So let's find someone to raid. Sorry, yeah, I gotta do it. All right, we're gonna pay back Nurkmine for the wonderful raid he gave us last Saturday. Guys, this is it. I think this is it for a couple of weeks. This is my last stream for a while. Thanks for hanging out with me on this wonderful Saturday. And thanks for the new follows today. Let me switch over to the credits scene. Let me get some credits rolling. How'd we do today? How'd we do? For the newcomers here, thanks for checking me out. My name is Andrew. Feel free to drop a follow. I'll be back. Feel free to wishlist Alpine Lake. That's the most helpful thing you could do. Esmond, IPO, Digitep, PDNZ, Skizai, and Hex. Thanks for the follows. And Zurath with the Prime sub. Crazy, thank you. I hope you all have a really good weekend, and I'll see you on the other side. Am I going to do another stream tomorrow? I don't think so. I don't think I can. That's it. We're done. I'll see you guys next week. Late next week. And I hope you all do well. Good luck on the move. Thank you, Ashley. Zeke, I will have fun. You have fun. Finite, you're welcome. Thank you for your streams. Thanks for coming and checking me out. And yeah, have a good one. Later all.